I know that you also discussed this concept of ultimate level in negotiation. What does this level represent, and how can negotiators reach negotiation mastery?
Yes, I'm trying to build the 103 elements up in a way where you slowly add one layer to another. When you move into that, the mastery level, you really need to be able to look yourself in the mirror and acknowledge that I can do everything else now. So I know all the other elements. I'm pretty good at it. You can wake me 4 o'clock in the morning and I can just repeat all of them because I know them by heart and I can practice them as well. Then, and only then, you can then move up to that level where it becomes a little bit more holistic. Actually, returning a little bit more to my previous book, Negotiation Essential, where we're talking about more about the strategy choices. How do you as an organization want to negotiate in general, and less on the tools. The ultimate level is really where you focused on, I'm capable of doing everything else. Now I want to be in the 5% group, the absolutely best negotiators. And that's when I start studying that one. So I wouldn't start with that chapter. I would finish up with that one.